In its heyday, when boy bands dominated the airwaves and power suits were in, this epic multi-level mansion would have hosted Perth's who's who at lavish soirees. The heady 90s were in full swing, and with a contemporary makeover, you can transform it into the ultimate luxury entertainer. Along with spectacular views of the city skyline and Perth Airport, it boasts sweeping marble and chrome staircases, polished travertine flooring, granite surfaces, and a cocktail bar to impress the likes of Tom Cruise. It has 2 kitchens, 2 spas, a pool, a home office, next level security, and enough parking for the entire neighbourhood.